What's up, my home seller clients? It's Rex, and in this video I want to talk to you about pets and selling the home. If you've got pets, stick around. So pets are awesome. I love them, dogs, cats, mice, rats, and birds, all that stuff. I love pets. But not when we're selling a home. Because pets and selling a home can be kind of challenging. Couple reasons, right? So you've got your pet, which you love, and it's your family pet, and it's a member of the family, and it's like a little fur person, right? Or a little feathered person or whatever. And you love them, but other people may not feel that way, or they might be scared of dogs, or they might be allergic to cats, and they might have a bird fear or something like that. I don't know. And if it's a creepy, crawly thing like a lizard or a snake or a tarantula or something like that, or an iguana or a Gila monster, well, a lot of people don't like that. So then they walk into your house and all they think about is that Gila monster or the tarantula or scorpions or whatever it is you got in there. And your pets, it's stressful for them, right? They got people coming over all the time and everything else. So if you've got pets, ideally the pets need to be not in the home during the showing hours. And that's why we have our 1, 2, 3 sold method. Sold in 3 days. We put your house on the market for a compressed period of time. It's only 3 days, 3 open houses. All the buyers come in during those 3 days and they all make their offers, and then we have the top ones compete against each other. And that way you can schedule this home selling experience into your life, and you can have your pets somewhere else and all their pet accoutrements, right? Like the squeaky toys and the blankets and the pet dishes and food stuff, whatever, all that stuff can be somewhere else or in the garage in a box or something. Because you just, like pets, people got their own pets, right? They don't understand your pets. And the pet might get upset or it might bite them, you never know. They're animals. They got their own sort of way of thinking. So it's best that the pets are not there. And if you got a lot of pets and you got that kind of stuff going on, then our sold in 3 day method is probably the method for you, because that way you can sell your house and not interrupt your life too much or interrupt your pets' lives, and then get them back in the house and take care of it, and it's all sold and no one's stressed and all that kind of stuff. So that's it for pets and selling a home, I think. I'll come over and take a look at your Gila monster and see how terrifying it really is. And if that's the case, then give me a call and we'll come over and meet your pets. If you have any questions, give us a call. If you're ready to sell your home, contact us as well. We'll see you and your pets at your house.